it's been a dream actually. It was always my dream to be a supermodel. You know, coming from Goa, there were hardly any male good supermodels. It's always been my dream. I was a footballer before. I played for all the big clubs. I played for Denko. I played for the Indian under 23 and India under 19. But because of injury, I couldn't continue. So I really didn't have any choice but to get into modeling because I was very injury prone. So yeah, I did many shows. Wendell spotted me. Wendell gave me my first show, and from there it's just I started doing more shows. I started getting into more and more exposure through modeling. So yeah, and when I thought I was ready and I wanted to step into the glamour world, and I knew Mr. India was the best platform for it. So and when I thought I was ready, I knew I would give it a shot, and then I did, and now here I am, Mr. Supranational. Very excited, very glad that I'm here.
How much sure you are to have this title, Mr. India?
How sure I was that I would grab it.
Yeah.
To be frank, I didn't think that I would win Mr. Supranational because we didn't know there would be 4 winners, to be frank. Everyone thought there would be either 2 or 3 winners. So it was very surprising that I got announced as Mr. Supranational. But I'm very happy that I got it because it's one of the very important values that, I'm very happy that I got selected for it. It's one of the very important pageants. And you go international for that. So it's almost like Mr. World. So, and I'm very excited, looking forward to it, and looking forward to making my country proud, being the first Indian and going to win it when I go international. It was very. I knew there would be a lot of competition because when it comes to going to Bombay, into the glamour world, you should be ready to face everything and anything. So, and first thing I knew that I had to work a lot on my body. Because the first round was the body round, and most of the eliminations happened there. So I knew there would be a lot of competition, and I made sure I was up to the mark. And yes, it was a lot of hard work. It was a lot of hard work and dedication. So see, winning Mr. India or going for the pageant, it's like you have to be good all around. So it's not that only one thing. If you have a good body, you'll be Mr. India. It's not that. You have to be good all around. You have to be a good. You have a very good personality. You should dress well. You should have a humble heart. So it's like you should be down to earth. You should know how to talk well. You should know how to talk well. So that is what makes a Mr. India for me. And that is what I got ready for. So that is what I did exactly.
So, what are your further plans?
It's a good question. I am thinking of getting into Bollywood. It's been my plan, but I need to work a lot on my acting skills and my Hindi. I need to polish my Hindi a bit, and quite a few things that I need to sharpen up before I get into Bollywood. So that I'll be doing that this year. And I can't wait to start, I just can't wait. Who motivates me?
Yeah, who motivates you?
I don't really have an idol. It's my desire. It's my own desire. I wanted this. I wanted to be on top. I wanted to be the first to go and win it. And that kept me going. I took that as my motivation. So I didn't really follow any idols that, I never thought like I would be like him, No. It was my own choice. I did it for myself. He has always been very supportive. My mom, my dad, even the whole family. It doesn't matter what I do, they always back me up. So, I never had a second thought about it. So I knew I could just go there. I was waiting for this. The welcome I got was very nice. I really thank everyone who came to the airport. And other party or December, Merry Christmas to all and Happy New Year. See, it's अशें न्हू की आमी वचून थंय पार्टिसिपेट करूंक जायना आमचे कडेन जावचें ना पार्टिसिपेट करूंक तशें आसना तें तूं इफ यू बिलीव इन युअरसेल्फ तुका दिसता की तूं वचून थंय वचून पार्टिसिपेट करतलो इफ यू वील गिव युअर बेस्ट सो तुका इफ यू बिलीव इन युअरसेल्फ तूं थंय वच आनी तुका यू गिव यू 100%. इट्स नॉट दॅट यू हॅव टू बी तुका लांबूच आसूंक जाय ना तुजी बॉडी बरी आसूंक जाय अशी ना तुका दिसता की यू हॅव इट इन यू तूं थंय वच पार्टिसिपेट कर आनी गिव युअर बेस्ट एंड द जजेस विल सी you know what has to happen. But it's all about just being confident and giving your best if you go there.
गोयचे यूथ सांगतात म्हणजे फाटी अशें कित्याक रावतात अशें दिसता तुका?
म्हाका दिसता मेजरली हायटी खातीर बिकॉज एज फार एज आय नो द हायट रिक्वायर्ड दॅट इज 5'6", 5'7". सो म्हाका दिसता हायटी खातीर लोक आमचे गोंयचे फाटीं फुडें जाता थंय वचून भुरगे. बट इट्स नॉट हायट डज मेक अ डिफरन्स बट if you're even 5'8" सुद्धा आसा न्हू कांय प्रॉब्लम ना तुवें वयपाचो फाटी मॉडेलिंग हांव चालूच आसा मॉडेलिंग करतलो तो मॉडेलिंग चालूच आसा म्हाजें अशें न्हू की मॉडेलिंगान ब्रेक केला मॉडेलिंग चालूच आसा बट सी वॉट आय गेट फ्रॉम देर इज आय गेट टू लर्न मोर म्हाका आनीक शिकोवंक मेळटलें तें सो आय गेट टू प्रूव माय सेल्फ मोर एंड दॅट इज वॉट आय लुकिंग फॉर आय एम लुकिंग टू बिकम अ बेटर मॉडल एंड अ बेटर एक्टर.
ताजे पयलीं कोंकणी पिक्चर बी मेळ्ळें जाल्यार करचो
करतलो कित्याक करूं गोंयचें नांव एज ऑफ नाव आय whatever my work will be, it will be handled by Times of India, so Times Channel. So as of now, no. To be frank, as of now, no. We just started. It was a week back, and it's not about they approach करतले म्हणून हांव रावचो ना. To be frank, हांव वचून तांकां approach करतलो हांव म्हाजें ऑडिशन जावचें ना म्हाका दिसतलें की हांव रेडी आसा तेन्ना हांव वचून ऑडिशन जावन दितलो. सो हांव एप्रोचार रावचो ना कोणाक. हांव आतां अशें चिंतलेलें की हांव आतां मिस्टर इंडिया गोंयच्या वेळी चिंतलें की मिस्टर इंडिया गोंयांत येतलो तेन्ना हांव पार्टिसिपेट करतलो हांव हांगा आसतना सो हांवें इनिशिएटीव घेतलो हांव हांगाच्यान थंय वचून हांवें पार्टिसिपेट करून की हांव थंय वचून जिखतलो सो आय विल डू द सेम थिंग हांव ऑडिशनाक रावचो ना सॉरी कोणाक रिक्वेस्ट करपाक रावचो ना म्हाका आय विल गो एंड गिव माय See, there's one thing I always wanted to tell my friends and my family friends and everyone. Just believe in yourself, you know. If you love something, if you want to be a model, you want to be a doctor, pilot, doesn't matter what. Just believe in yourself. Make sure you dedicate yourself to that. Make sure you give your 100%, and that's it. And I'm sure you will, achieve your goals. Just believe in yourself. That's what I did, and that's why I'm here.
Next, I think you will be going to Poland.
Yes.
For international. So that's how you have.
See, my preparation started from day one. I won Mr. Supranational, so that is the day I started my preparation mentally. So now physically I have to prove myself more. I have to work on myself all the more now, and it will take time, and I have time. So that is my plus point. I have time, and I will give my all. It's on my mind. It's in my mind. It's been in my mind. Going there and giving my best, and I will do it. So and I promise that I won't disappoint anyone.
Do you believe that to enter into the Bollywood, you need some background in that Bollywood?
Maybe here and there. Everyone knows that, but it's up to you. How you take it. If you lose your confidence thinking that बाबा तेंच्या तुगे घेता आनी आमकां चान्स ना तशें जावचें ना. You have to work hard. You have to go give auditions here and there. You have to go theatres करूंक जाता acting तुका. So थंय तुका कोण येवन pick केलो तूं actor जर बरो आसा if you believe in yourself again. So you believe in yourself that you will be there and you can just do it. Then go out there and give your best. It's all about that.